What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel, LifeAsDe'j. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell next to it so you never ever miss a video. And let's hop right into today's video.
Get dressed up, you take hours. Baby girl, you know you can do whatever, you got power.
If y'all read that title down below, then y'all know today's video is going to be all about my hair. And I'm super excited to do this review because I normally don't order hair from Amazon, but I needed hair quick, fast, and in a hurry. And Amazon was the only place that I can think of that did like next day shipping or get your order the next day. So I'm going to show y'all how the hair came packaged, my initial thoughts on the hair, the bleaching process of the frontal, and then I'm going to move on to the hair now, which has only been like a week. And what I think about the hair, how it curls, how it straightens, tangling, shedding, you know, the whole nine, everything a girl wants to know before she purchases hair. So let's hop right into it. Alright, y'all, so this is the Amazon box that the hair came in. I never seen a box like this. It's like a little shoe box. That's the best way that I can describe it. But it was kind of hard to open, so my boyfriend had to open it for me. And tie-dye, y'all, here is the wig, and the packaging was pretty plain to me. Nothing really stood out in particular. And here's my son's feet. Nothing stood out in particular. The company did not have a logo or the name of it anywhere. It was just basic packaging. So let's get into what's in this bag. Alright, y'all, so it came with a wig cap, a two-piece standard, you know, regular wig cap, and it also came with the bundles, well, the wig, and a thank you card from the company or the person that sent this hair with all the information and gifts. So this wig is 20 inches, y'all, a 20-inch frontal wig, and the direct link to this wig will be in the description box down below, so make sure y'all check that out. And it did come with combs in the wig, so I'm not a big fan of that because it just hurt my head. So now I'm just filling out the hair, looking at the frontal, making sure everything is tip top in shape. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing y'all how it bounces, the ends, and I did see a few like different color strands in there, and I'm not too big of a fan on that either because it just shows that the hair has been like processed a bit. And yeah, so this part is after the wig is bleached, and it did bleach really well, as you guys can see. At first it had a lot of little black dots in the lace. Once my sister bleached it, you know, that all went away and it looks way more natural. And it did keep a curl pattern because this is body wave hair. So I was really excited to see that. And the hair was super soft after I washed it, y'all. So you couldn't even tell this wig was from Amazon. And this is plucked versus unplucked. Yes, my sister did this, and her Instagram will be down below as well. So make sure y'all go follow her. So this is just the process of her putting on my wig, baby hairs, and all of that. Alright, so now that y'all seen how the hair came and the packaging and everything, this is the hair now, y'all. So it has been about a week since I've had this hair in. So the frontal is not HD, it's just regular lace. And like I said, I bleached the frontal, and this is what it looks like after a week. The only thing is like, I need some lace tint. I've been using makeup and I feel like it is light. So I've just been playing around with it a little bit. And with the hair came really nice. I like the curl pattern, the texture. When I ran my hands through it, it did not have any tangling or shedding, and that was like perfect. I cannot stand hair that tangles, sheds, or just, you know, you always got to have a brush. You got to brush it every 2 seconds and it just gets to looking nappy. Nobody want to deal with that. When I wet the hair, the curl pattern came back. Y'all seen in those clips. The hair now, it is still nice. The only thing that I didn't like was that the wig was not full enough for me. It didn't have enough bundles. Like when you get a wig and it's already pre-made, 9 times out of 10, if it's not made by, you know, an actual person like me making the wigs for you with the bundles in the frontal, they are not gonna like double any tracks or put all 3 bundles in. It's gonna be like the bare minimum. So this wig just wasn't full enough for me, so I added like a half a bundle in here. And my sister put on my wig and she actually bleached it for me and everything. And her name is Tavia Latrice on Instagram. I will have that down below as well. Shout out to her because she always does my hair. I'll just show y'all how it curls because I have not ever curled this hair. I have only wore it straight. So I'm just gonna show y'all how it curl real quick. This is gonna be a surprise for me and y'all because I have never curled it. I think my flat iron is hot enough. Let's see. So this is just gonna be how it curls. Obviously it's not gonna like be, oh, how long does it hold a curl? Because like I said, I've never curled it. But let's see. Ooh, okay. Okay. It's giving pretty curl. Yeah. That's cute. So that is how it curls. I'm finna straighten that piece just because I don't want a curl in my hair. But it curls pretty good. It is body wave hair. And with a straightener, it was kind of hard to straighten the first time because it is body wave. So I had to like wash it and then straighten it, and eventually it straightened pretty well. But yeah, y'all, so that's how the hair curled. Like I said, when I straightened it the first time, it did take a little bit of effort because it was body wave hair and it was just a little bit harder to straighten. But after a few passes, it did get straight. So the only thing about this hair is that it was thin. Like, I'm used to full wigs and this hair was 150 density. And I don't know about y'all, but I don't think they should sell wigs that's 150% density because, I mean, for a bob, it's cute. But I feel like if it go over like 14 inches, no. You don't need 150% density. So I did have to add some tracks to this, like I said. But overall, it's holding up pretty good. I just do not really care for frontals because it's too much maintenance for me. But for it not to be HD lace, I mean, it bleached well, and when my sister laid it, like, it laid really good. So yeah, this is the wig from Amazon, and that is my unboxing and my initial thoughts on the wig. I will be sure to keep y'all updated. Let me know what y'all think about this hair. And if you do know any good vendors on Amazon, comment those down below. And I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. And stay tuned for my next video. Mwah. Pretty well, so I guess.
Get your ass in there.
Boy, I heard you come in. This is what it looks like now, y'all. And I like cut it into like a little layers. You can if you want.